Hey, it's Danny Walsh, and in this training I want to show you in like 5 minutes exactly how you can use the internet and artificial intelligence to create documents in any niche that you can either give away as a lead magnet, which means you can swap this stuff for people's contact details, or you can even sell. Right, and you can do this in any niche, right? So what I've done is gone to Google, and in there I've typed top 10 hobbies that require investment. Now Google's going to give you a big bunch of stuff, but I've looked here and there's some little questions being answered. What craft hobby makes the most money, right? So we don't want to be creating something that people can't buy because they don't have any money, right? And one of these that stands out is soap and candles, right? So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to head on over to the amazing Chat GPT. Right, so write me 10 headlines that would be important to someone selling online. Soap and candles online. It took longer for me to write that than it's going to take the chat program to write this stuff. These are some headlines that will be relevant to somebody selling soap and candles, right? So, boom, 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 boom. That's not exactly what I was looking for, but we can work with this, right, you guys? So, provide 10 lead magnet ideas for someone selling soap and candles, right? So look, it's going to give me lead magnet ideas now, so we can kind of change what we're doing here. And we've got headlines, we've got lead magnet examples. What we're going to do is broaden these out to create some content, right? So here's 10 lead magnet ideas, someone selling soap and candles. DIY soap and candle making guide, how to make your own soap and candles at home using natural ingredients, a list of necessary materials, step-by-step instructions, a scent quiz, candle safety tips, seasonal scents, recipes, pairings, it's pretty cool, natural skincare tips, aromatherapy, meditation. There's quite a lot there, right? So what we're going to do is take these one at a time. So what I'm going to do is grab this, and in here I'm going to put create the following in a table with detail for each section and bullet point summary. Now again, my typing is the problem here, not the thing. So look, it's now creating as a table, right? So in this table, soap candle making guide, objective, target audience, and this thing's going crazy and actually doing what I've asked it to do, right? So now it seems to have got stuck. Continue and build 2 paragraphs for each bullet point. You see how cool this is? Detail paragraphs for each of the sections, and like now it's doing the introduction, then it's doing the benefits, then it's going to get into like the necessary materials. It's like, you see where this is going? We've like been on here for like what, I don't know, 3 minutes 30 seconds, and already we're into pages of content for a potential ebook or guidebook or lead magnet or website or blog or something like that. If you're not using this stuff, you're crazy. This is Chat GPT by OpenAI, and it's only going to get better, right? See how much content we've just got? Now what we can do is we can then go and start to copy these one by one, right? So it's like, now expand on and provide examples and summarize in a table. Now you don't even have to type anything too clever or too smart. I'm deliberately like typing like with one hand and doing this in a way that, you know, anybody could do, right? You could do this. You should be doing this. And what I'm going to do in the next video is show you exactly how to take this stuff and turn it into a book or a document or a guide or something like that, right? So that kind of makes sense. So go to Chat GPT, get yourself some inspiration in whatever niche or subject you want to work. get your 10 headlines, expand on those, build tables, ask it to summarize things, and then you've got a big bunch of stuff that you can copy and paste just by using very, very basic prompts. If you want more prompts, you can download the Promptosaurus guide. I actually wrote this with the help of Chat GPT, and this will even show you how to make images that you can use to sort of design your book, right? So we can build these things super, super fast. This year I've built a bunch of these. We've done them in real estate, we've done them in niche, we've done them in metal detecting, we've done them in fishing, we've done them in all sorts of cool stuff, and you can too, right? It's Danny Walsh. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe and you like and you share and all the stuff that you do with this video. But if you don't think this is amazing, you're probably going to be stuck with no money forever. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.